Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the iPad so Siri can speak back. Make sure your device runs the latest iPad OS and has a stable internet connection because Siri needs online processing. Next, enable Siri in Settings, turn on Listen for Hey Siri and the physical Siri button. Confirm the Siri language and microphone permissions match your voice and region, otherwise responses may be silent or mismatched. Once done, go straight to Siri voice settings to force audible replies. Now you change the response behavior so Siri speaks aloud every time. In Settings, tap Siri and search, then find Siri responses or voice feedback. Set voice feedback to always on. This forces spoken replies even if your iPad is muted. Choose a Siri voice and adjust speaking rate so responses are natural. Slower rates help with clarity. Make sure volume is up and do not disturb won't silence voice alerts. Once configured, test with a direct command to confirm audible output. Finish by testing and resolving common issues. Say Hey Siri and give a short request like What's the weather? And listen for a spoken response. If you don't hear Siri, first check the volume and mute/side switch, then confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is connected. Siri needs the network. If still silent, restart the iPad, toggle Siri off and on, and reselect voice feedback to always on. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure Siri's language exactly matches your accent and device region. Mismatches often mute responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.